Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming hardware and operating system readiness. Plug in the first monitor to the primary port and power it on. Once done, connect the second display using the best available port or adapter, make sure cables are firmly seated, and then boot or wake your machine. If you have docking stations or USB-C hubs, attach them now. This reduces interruptions later. It also helps identify faulty cables early. Pause to confirm each display shows a signal before proceeding to configuration. Next, you configure how the screens behave. In display settings, choose Extend rather than Duplicate when you want more workspace. Use Duplicate only for mirroring. Arrange the on-screen monitor positions to match the physical placement so the cursor moves naturally. Drag them into place and align tops or bottoms for seamless transitions. Then set each monitor's resolution, scaling, and refresh rate to match its native specs. This prevents blurry text and stuttering. Once aligned, test by moving windows across all screens. Finally, you optimize for productivity. Set your primary display, choose where the taskbar appears, and pin apps to preferred screens. Once configured, learn snapping shortcuts and consider a window manager or virtual desktops to save layouts. If a monitor doesn't appear, unplug and swap cables to isolate the problem, then update or reinstall graphics drivers. Make sure the monitor input is correct and power indicators are lit. If issues persist, reboot the system and test each monitor one by one to find the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.